Here's three real reasons why you feel guilty charging premium prices for your pet care services. And they're not the reasons you tell yourself. So many of us are guilty of this, especially in the beginning. We don't even realize how much value we bring to the pet owners. But once you do, it's all too often for you to feel guilty to raise your prices. And we often tell ourselves things like, oh, well, I want to make it affordable for my customers, or I know my customers can't afford it if I raise my prices, or I don't want people to think that I'm just trying to price gouge them, or what if I don't get any new customers because I charge more than most people in my area? The list can go on and on. So here's three real reasons as to why you feel guilty and you haven't started charging the right pricing for your services. Number one, you don't even realize the value that you bring. Number two, you think being broke and burnt out validates your worthiness. And number three, you think earning a lot of money makes you greedy, makes you a bad person, when it actually puts you in the position to do more good for your clients and for the world. So chew on that. And if you can relate, hit a like and hit a follow for more good tips if you are a pet care business owner.